All right, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go. Okay, so in A-bomb 8, we have a new function that takes the uncompressed GP4 lookup table and converts it to the compressed GP4 lookup table. So this is the input, this is the output, hence the corresponding prefixes. Down here we have an explanation of what this function does. Pause here to read this. We have an explanation of these variables. Pause here to read that. And this is our reusable object so that we don't get killed by the garbage collector gods. And then right here we're going to loop through each GP4 index, the glass panel index, of which there are 4 types of glass panels. We're going to use that index into this lookup table to get the uncompressed graphic, and then use this converter function to take the compressed graphic and convert it into the the uncompressed graphic converted to the compressed graphic. And then we're going to extract the different parts of the compressed graphic, the top, middle, and bottom uint27, and we're going to pack it into the output compressed graphics lookup table. We need to multiply GP4 by a stride of 3 because there are 3 uint32s per graphic, and then add the relative offset to the top, middle, and bottom. And then we're going to return once we're done pre-processing. And then in our initializer for the A-bomb 8 system, we have a new function pointer, L2L GP4, which stands for lookup table to lookup table GP4, which is that function we just went over. And down here, we're going to use that function right here. We're going to take the uncompressed graphics here, and we're going to load the compressed version into this lookup table with the help of this function pointer right here. Okay, next section. So here's what we did previously, and then down here we have some footnotes and stuff, and what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast videos. Technical demos, source code, ways of getting a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder, and I am making a game engine from complete scratch. It's called Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry game. It's already deployed to 3 servers: Heroku, Google App Engine, and Render.com. If you want to see how to write server code, rendering code, simulation code, I am your guy. Like, subscribe, and follow.